Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Crypto. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to delete your TikTok account. So let's get started. At first let's get into TikTok. Now we need to click on profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now we can see three line icon on the top right corner. So let's click on it and click on settings and privacy. Now click on account. Now you can see deactivate or delete account option. Now in the bottom there is delete account permanently, so let's click on it. Now we can give a reason why we are leaving TikTok and continue. So here we need to tick mark and click on continue again. Now again continue. Now we get the 6-digit code in our message box, so let's wait for it. So here it is. Now click on delete account. So click on delete. So now our account is finally deleted. So this is how you can delete your TikTok account. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.